If you take a single spoonful of cold-pressed black seed oil right before your head hits the pillow tonight, you are practicing a nightly ritual that dates back over 3,000 years. Long before modern laboratories existed, this exact before-bed routine was the most closely guarded sleep secret of the Egyptian pharaohs. History records that Queen Nefertiti relied on this dark oil every evening to calm her mind before rest and preserve her physical beauty. This nightly sleep aid was considered so vital for deep recovery that a jar of black seed oil was placed directly next to the sarcophagus of King Tutankhamun, buried right by his head to ensure a peaceful transition into his eternal rest. To the Egyptians, this was not just a luxury, it was a highly prized sleep elixir. They knew that if you heat the black seeds during extraction, you destroy their delicate, calming essence. This is why royal oil pressers worked slowly in the cool of the night, using massive, heavy stones to gently crush the seeds cold, extracting only a few precious drops of sleep-inducing oil at a time under the watchful eyes of palace guards. A single liter of this cold-pressed oil was so valuable it could purchase high-bred riding horses or fertile land along the Nile. Yet the pharaohs drank a spoonful of this bitter oil every single evening because their lives depended on waking up clear-minded and ready to rule. They discovered a practical biological truth. It acts as a rapid off switch that shuts down nighttime restlessness. Today, our modern lifestyle has created an ongoing epidemic of sleeplessness. Most people crawl into bed with an overworked mind, waiting for sleep that never quite arrives. They try everything, from sleep trackers to herbal teas, yet they still wake up at 3 in the morning, feeling tired, stiff, and completely exhausted. But our ancestors knew a secret that modern science is only now beginning to prove. If you want to fix your sleep, your system is not malfunctioning. You simply need the right key to quiet your nervous system and turn off the internal noise. And that key lies in the unique biology of the black seed. At the heart of the black seed's power is a compound called thymoquinone. To understand why it works so well for sleep, think of your brain as a busy high-speed highway. Throughout the day, your thoughts are racing, and your stress levels keep the traffic moving at full speed. When it's time to sleep, you can't just slam on the brakes. You need a way to gradually slow the traffic down. That is where a natural calming chemical in your brain called GABA comes in. GABA acts like a natural parking brake for your mind, signaling your brain cells to quiet down and relax. But when you are stressed, your body struggles to engage this brake. Now, most people in this situation reach for modern pharmaceutical sleep aids, but there is a hidden catch that we rarely talk about. Standard sleeping pills don't actually give you natural sleep. They chemically knock your brain cells out. If you look at the brain waves of someone on a heavy sleeping pill, they don't mimic natural rest. They actually mimic low-level anesthesia. That is why you wake up feeling like you have a chemical hangover, because your brain never got to enter the actual deep, restorative sleep stages it desperately needed. Thymoquinone is a unique plant compound that handles this completely differently. It does not force your brain into artificial unconsciousness. Instead, it smoothly attaches to your GABA receptors and physically dials down the electrical voltage in your nervous system. It makes your brain highly sensitive to its own natural, built-in calming signals, allowing you to cycle through every single stage of deep healing sleep naturally. By taking black seed oil before bed, you are essentially lubricating your brain's parking brake. It quiets the constant mental chatter and allows your body to slide into a deep, heavy slumber on its own. However, if you just swallow the oil on its own, you might not get the peaceful night you hoped for. To unlock its full power, you need to combine it with a golden catalyst. But if you just swallow a spoonful of pure black seed oil on an empty stomach, you might get a rude awakening. Because the oil is highly concentrated and packed with sharp, peppery compounds, it can easily irritate a sensitive gut. Your stomach feels the burn, gets protective, and sends an immediate stress signal to your brain. Instead of sliding into a peaceful sleep, your body goes into high alert, releasing a tiny drip of adrenaline. To stop this, you need a simple physical buffer: raw honey. Mixing your black seed oil with a single teaspoon of raw honey completely changes how your body reacts. The thick, sticky honey acts like a natural, soothing gel. It coats your stomach lining, trapping the harsh, burning oil compounds so they cannot irritate your tissue. The result? No biological distress signal reaches your brain, and your entire system stays quiet. But honey also solves a very common sleep disruptor: waking up at 3 a.m. While you are asleep, your brain is busy sorting memories, which requires constant energy. Most people don't realize that even while sleeping, the brain burns fuel at an incredibly high rate, almost like it's solving complex math problems all night. If your body runs out of stored liver fuel, your brain goes into a sudden panic, sensing a starvation crisis. To save itself, it triggers an emergency alarm, releasing a sudden spike of cortisol and adrenaline to sweep for new glycogen. This sudden hormonal surge is what snaps you wide awake, staring at the ceiling with your heart racing. The natural sugars in the raw honey you took before bed act like an overnight safety battery, filling your glycogen reserves so your body never has to trigger that emergency wake-up alarm in the first place. You simply sleep through the night. And once your brain is secure, your physical night shift begins. While you are fast asleep, your body is quietly busy. It runs a natural, deep cleaning cycle that repairs the wear and tear of the day. When you introduce black seed oil to this process, that recovery changes entirely. Think about how you breathe at night. If your airways slightly constrict, your breathing becomes shallow. You might start snoring, and your heart has to pump harder just to keep your oxygen levels steady. This is a subtle physical stressor that leaves you feeling exhausted in the morning. The active compounds in black seed oil act as a natural relaxant for your chest. They gently soothe the tight muscles around your bronchial tubes, keeping your airways open and relaxed. You draw in more air with less effort, allowing your heart to beat at a calm, effortless pace all night. The direct payoff is simple. You wake up without that heavy brain fog, and your mind is instantly clear the moment your feet hit the floor. At the exact same time, a silent cleanup starts in your digestive tract. Over the course of the day, bad bacteria can build up in your gut, leading to that uncomfortable, bloated feeling. Instead of using a harsh treatment that wipes out your entire microbiome, black seed oil acts like a smart, targeted filter. While your stomach is completely empty and resting overnight, the oil selectively clears away these unwanted microbes, all while leaving your protective, healthy gut bacteria completely untouched. This overnight digestive reboot is why you wake up with a flat, calm stomach instead of morning bloating. And while all of this is happening, your cells are running their most important background task of clearing away cellular waste. This is where your brain undergoes its own literal washing cycle, known as the glymphatic system. During deep sleep, your brain cells physically shrink by up to 60%, allowing cerebral fluid to wash through the empty spaces and flush out toxic metabolic waste. When your body is inflamed, this critical wash cycle gets completely blocked. The active compounds in black seed oil act like a natural declogger, reducing inflammation so that this nightly brain wash can run at full capacity. This is why you wake up feeling genuinely lighter, with less morning joint stiffness, zero brain fog, and a sharp, recharged mind. Walk into any local supermarket or click through an online health store, and you will find dozens of cheap, clear plastic bottles of black seed oil. This is a massive waste of money. Most of these oils are mass-produced, heavily refined, and stripped of the very compound that actually makes them work. When you expose this sensitive oil to high heat, light, and oxygen during processing, you destroy the thymoquinone, leaving you with little more than greasy, expensive cooking oil. To get that deep, uninterrupted night of sleep, you need to look for 3 specific markers on the label. First, it must be cold-pressed and completely unfiltered. When you hold an unfiltered bottle up to the light, it should not look like clear golden apple juice. It should be dark, highly viscous, and semi-opaque, with a layer of dark sediment settling at the very bottom. That sediment is where the raw, highly concentrated plant compounds live. Second, check the origin of the seeds themselves. The highest quality seeds are traditionally grown in the arid, mineral-rich soils of Egypt or Ethiopia. The intense heat forces the Nigella sativa plant to produce significantly higher concentrations of thymoquinone as a survival mechanism, making the resulting oil far more potent. Finally, check the packaging. Never buy this oil in a clear or plastic container. Thymoquinone degrades rapidly when exposed to light. It must be packaged in a dark, pharmaceutical-grade amber glass bottle to lock the active compounds in place. Finding the right bottle is really the only hurdle. The routine itself is just a quick nightly habit. For the first week, take just half a teaspoon of the oil mixed with your teaspoon of raw honey about 45 minutes before bed. This gives your digestive tract time to adapt to the intense active compounds. Once your system adjusts, you can step up to a full teaspoon. But while this ancient remedy can completely transform your sleep, there are just a few simple things to keep in mind. First, if you are pregnant, it is best to skip this oil for now as a precaution. Second, because it can naturally thin your blood, you shouldn't take it if you are already on blood-thinning medication. Finally, stick to the simple 1 teaspoon rule. Taking more than that won't help you sleep deeper. It will only lead to an upset stomach. Ultimately, black seed oil is not a magic cure-all. But when you pair high-quality oil with raw honey, you are giving your body exactly what it needs to rest deeply. The ancient Egyptians did not bury Tutankhamun with a jar of this oil to prepare him for death. They buried him with it because they believed in the preservation of life. When you wake up tomorrow morning with a calm stomach, a quiet mind, and a clear chest, you will understand exactly why they did.